Hey guys, what's up? I've got another video tutorial for you guys today. I know it's been a long time since I've posted, I just haven't had the time. But today's a fairly quick one. Today's about making your own foam belt pouches. And you can make these any size you want. And it's super easy, super quick. I've got two different sizes here. Yeah, let's get to it. Alright, and you can tell here I've already got all of my pieces cut out. The black foam is 4mm thick foam from TNT Cosplay Supply. You can also use 2mm foam for this. You just want a thin enough foam that'll fold easily and not to worry about it fighting to open up all the time. The white pieces of foam are 6mm thick. I've got those a little bit thicker so that way it can help hold its shape and be a little more sturdy. You want to make sure that you heat form everything so that way it kind of stiffens it up and helps it hold its shape. For the bottom part, you want to go ahead and kind of fold it and bend it so that way it's a little bit easier when you're gluing. The foam doesn't fight itself to open up and come apart after it's glued. Use your contact cement, apply it to both sides of the foam. You'll apply it to 3 sides of the 6mm foam, leaving the top with no glue because you don't want to glue the pouch shut. But you'll apply it to all 3 sides, let it set 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's all set up, you want to line up your edges to get them just as flush as possible. Take as much time as you need to glue it and make sure it's all secure. And you want to make sure you leave a little bit of a opening on the front so that way you can actually get out what you put in. You can see right there, it just closes. And here I bought 1-inch squares of Velcro that I got from Dollar Tree. I stick them in each corner. I apply a little bit of super glue to help hold. They are adhesive back Velcro. I apply the super glue just to help it hold even more to help prevent the Velcro from falling off. The last thing you want is go to pull up a pouch and your Velcro comes off and that won't post. Alright guys, that does it for this video. I hope that it was a huge help. I will not have templates available for these because they're just very simple. I used scrap foam to make all of these. But yeah, and you guys can always add some straps from the back here so they can slide onto your belts, or you can glue them directly onto your belt. But I'm also getting into 3D modeling and making 3D files. I have thought about putting my 3D files on my Etsy. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. If you guys want to buy my files, drop a comment down below. I'm going to have links to my Instagram, Facebook, and my Etsy shop down below. You guys check all that stuff out. You guys have a great one.